So I hope you enjoyed watching this cinematic sequence, and finally we reach at our destination, which is a food junction. So without wasting a time, let's go inside. Before we take a video for this food junction, we have to take a permission from the management that we can take a video here. It's nice. I like this process. In my life, first time I am holding an owl.
Bukan untuk apa-apa.
Wow.
Gitu ya, Om ya?
Semuanya.
Are you okay?
Apapun.
Oh yeah, he was okay. Same. My camera weight and his weight is same.
Terima kasih. Mas Henry, silakan. Babynya mau dibawa, Mas? Partnernya.
Wow, really a nice experience. You holding an owl in your hand. Species from Sumatra, bubo Sumatranus. Wow, I'm getting tired. I can hold two things. Thank you, baby. This is the species of owl from Sumatra, and his name is Boy.
Dari komunitas OCH. Mas Imam, saya persilakan.
Okay. Good boy. Boy, are you okay? So this is not only a food junction, this is more than food junction. You can find a small pond here. Over there you can find a pond, and here are some adventures. A bungee jumping for small kids. So let's walk a little bit more ahead. Let's see what we can find there. But as much I've seen right now, up to now, it's really beautiful. If you are interested to drive a cycle car, you can drive a cycle car here. It's available here. The ticket you can buy from there. There is a ticket counter. Buy a ticket and take a one round. So they have electric motorcycle also for kids. Here is lots of things to explore. have so many things to explore here, but it's time to take a food. I'm getting hungry. So let's go and find the food. They're searching for a food now. I'm hungry a lot. They have lots of food stores. So among them you have to select which you wanna try. You don't wanna eat?
I subscribe.
Okay.
Ini tuh.
We are done with our first order, which is a Singapore pork mee. Mee in Indonesia, mee means noodles. What you buy?
French fries.
French fries. So my wife buy a French fries. Finally, we place all the orders for a food. Now it's time to go and sit at one place. After 20 minutes, we have to go to that corner and pick up our orders. Here, almost you find a Singaporean or Chinese food. So this is my dinner for tonight. There is some chicken, grilled chicken, and here is a sauce and some vegetable stock. Where is noodles? Mee. Okay, so mee is inside. My wife will help me to prepare this food. It's time to eat. Let's try how's the taste. Tasty. Wow, we just finished our food. The food is good here. I just finished mee pork Singapore. It was tasty. When you are coming here, you can try that mee pork Singapore. If you want to use a free Wi-Fi here, you have to ask a password here. So if you buy something, any food here, you have to show the receipt and they will give you a Wi-Fi password. Instagram, so link is in the description and you can follow the ID. The ID is flashing on the screen, so please go and follow our Instagram and our Facebook page. If you like watching this video, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification icon to get latest upcoming videos notification on your phone. So stay aware, stay conscious and stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.